Okay, sir.
Very good. Good evening, Konu Bhushan Rao.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
I'm happy to be with you for this interview. Now,
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Now, can you please tell me about when is your interview expected?
7th January, sir.
7th January. You are going for which post?
Management trainee, sir, through mechanical engineer.
Mechanical
Mechanical engineer, sir.
mechanical engineer.
Engineer management trainee.
Management training. Correct. Good. So you, it is on 7th of January.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Myself, Kona Bhushnarao. I am from Andhra Pradesh State, Srikakulam District, GCGDAM village, sir.
Hmm.
I completed my schooling in my own village, GCGDAM, in Satsai Vijay Mandir, up
Hmm.
to 10th. After that, I joined diploma course
Hmm.
engineer.
Yeah, you can
In
switch off your telephone. I have disconnected now. Hello. Hello. Koda Bhushan Rao. Hello. Your voice is not coming. Your audio has been put off.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
okay.
Now.
Now okay.
Okay.
Say you start from the beginning. You start from the beginning. Tell us about yourself.
Sir, now.
Yeah. Now it is okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, after that, I joined diploma course in mechanical engineering in SMEM Polytechnic, West Godavari district in my own state. After that, I wrote engineering entrance exam and I joined BTech in Andhra University College of Engineering in Vishakhapatnam district. And after that, I completed my BTech in 2020 only this year.
Mhm.
I
Very good.
passed out this year, sir.
Yeah.
And
And
then
how did you come to know about Coal India Limited job? Because you would have been in final year only.
yes, sir. Actually, my aim was to join in a public sector undertakings. That's why I searched for jobs from BTech third year only, up to from third year only, sir.
Mm,
And I know Coal India will recruit in 2020 employment news.
mhm,
I read in employment news and internet also.
mhm,
So I want to prepare for Coal India Limited along with my gate preparation.
mhm.
So I wrote Coal India exam. So and I qualified in written exams, sir.
Very good. What is the
Yes, sir.
cutoff mark in mechanical engineering?
For general category 154, sir, out of 200.
You are
And
belonging to general only.
actually, I belong to EWS category, sir.
Oh,
My
acha.
cutoff was 149, sir.
Very good, very good.
149. Yes,
You
sir.
have the EWS certificate and all properly.
Yes, sir. 2020 to 21 admission academic year EWS certificate I have, sir.
Oh, oh. But yeah,
Yes,
it's
sir.
okay. But yeah, that is okay. Fine. So you have EWS certificate also, and
Yes, sir.
you studied from Andhra University. You scored very good marks, 9 out of 10. Super.
Yes, sir.
And
9.04.
SSC percentage CGPA, you have given 10.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it, is it
10, sir.
100?
Yes, sir. Actually, it is 10 CGPA, sir. So
Mm.
in percent, 100%, sir.
Oh, great. That means you have
Yes, sir.
scored very well in all the subjects like English,
Yes, sir.
Telugu, etc., etc.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now,
Above
in
90, they
above
gave 10
90,
marks, sir.
very
Yes,
good,
sir.
very good. Now, in this BTech mechanical also, you have scored very good marks, and
Yes, sir.
you have appeared for GATE also.
Yes, sir. I got 1829 ranks, sir, in GATE.
Mhm.
1829, sir.
What is the mark you
Rank
scored in that?
66, sir. 66 marks out of 100, sir.
66. 1829 rank.
Yes, sir.
It is for both admission for MTech
MTech.
and also for jobs, is it not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you going to use it for MTech?
No, sir. Actually, I want to join in public sector undertakings. That's why I want to give another exam this year, GATE. So I preparing for GATE and these competitive exams.
So again, you will be writing one more gate so that you can score
Yes,
higher
sir.
marks. Higher
Yes,
marks.
sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So this one you have cleared. You have scored. Cutoff was 154. How many
Yes, sir.
marks do you think you would have scored?
I got, according to my response sheet, I got around 155 marks, sir. 155 to 157 marks.
Only that much. Oh.
Yes, sir.
And
I mean, it's, sir.
in Coal India Limited, this interview is only for 10 marks. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. So that's fine. That is okay. What is your father?
That's my father was farmer, sir.
Is a
Farmer,
farmer.
sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
What is grown in your field? Sikakulam.
We
Paddy.
crop mirchi. Yes, sir. Paddy also, mirchi and cabbage, all vegetables.
Oh,
And
mirchi means molagai.
yes, sir.
Ah,
And popcorn. I mean, sweet corn. Sorry,
sweet corn.
sweet corn is
Yeah.
the highest crop, sir, in my
Oh,
village.
very good.
Yes, sir. And after that, all vegetables.
Mhm. Good.
Yes, sir.
Is the yield okay in your place for sweet corn?
I mean, it's
Ye-
not like a
Per
yield
acre.
means.
Per acre.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Per acre, it gives around 20 quintas around, sir.
Very good. So
Yes, sir.
how he will be selling it? He will go to the mandis and sell it, or
No, sir. Actually, it's very long from my village, sir. Mandis. So in the village only, there are some buyers. Uh, they buy the these products and they
they
go to mandis, sir. Actually,
or they sell it to others.
yes, sir.
Very good. How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother, sir. Younger brother. My brother, younger brother, sir.
Oh, what is he doing?
He is studying inter second year, sir.
Oh, that is
Intermediate second year.
plus
12th
two.
class, plus two, sir.
12th
Yes,
class.
sir.
Yeah. Good. So what made you show interest in Coal India Limited?
Yes, sir. I already said my main aim was to join in a PSU, public sector
i-
undertakings.
In the interview, if they ask a repetition question like this, don't
Yes,
tell
sir.
them. I already said, don't tell like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir. Actually, it's a matter of pride to anyone to join in a company which is the largest producer of the primary sector, primary energy source required for the country. Um, so, because the energy is related to the quality of the life of the people, sir. And Coal India is a national asset, and working in it as an employee is a great satisfaction for me, and it's a proud for me, sir. And in Coal India, career growth is also very fast, and I have seen website. Within 18 to 22 years, we can reach executive director level from executive level also, and at least I mean at last CIL is also Maharatna company, and it's a very profitable company. And I have seen website, and this financial year 2019 and 20, the profits are around 16,000 crores, and salaries are also good, promotions are quick. So I can learn more and more in that company.
Good.
So that I want to join in Coal India Limited.
Very good. In your engineering college, you had any campus recruitment for mechanical engineering? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Not much.
Actually, it's not core companies. All are software companies.
Oh, you were not appearing for software.
No, sir.
Achha. What is your knowledge relating to computer and its use?
So computer and related to its use means
Like
I can handle.
how can you use computer in, say, in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, like that?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have no computer in my home, so that I don't have that much knowledge, but I can handle it, sir. Yes, sir.
But tell them that you can use Microsoft Office.
Yes, sir. MS Office.
MS Office like Word, Excel, PowerPoint.
Word I can use, sir.
PowerPoint
Yes,
and all that. Okay.
PowerPoint I can use, sir.
PowerPoint. If anybody prepares and give you PowerPoint, can you not show it?
Yes, sir. I can show that, sir.
That is all. Okay. Good, good, good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What are your academic achievements?
Yes, sir. Uh, I scored very well in all exams, sir.
Hmm.
And in 2017, I got Pratibha Award from State Government of Andhra Pradesh due to in the excellence of diploma in my diploma,
Mhm.
96%
Hmm.
out of 100. And I also achieved second rank in engineering entrance exam in my state.
Mhm. Good.
That's why I got Andhra University.
Hmm.
And in GATE also, I stood in top 1%, sir.
Oh,
1800 rank.
oh,
Yes,
that
sir.
is a good, good one. Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, yeah. Stood up Mandal first in class 10th. Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. What are the internships you have attended?
I have in my BTech third year, I have attended for internship in Vizag Steel Plant, Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited. It's
Mhm.
called. It is actually 14 days, sir. For they gave me chance at 7 days only. So I
But
have visited
don't
all the
don't
plant.
but don't tell this. If the
Okay,
certificate is
sir.
for 14 days, you don't
Yes,
have
sir.
to tell them it is for 7 days. What did you
Okay,
learn
sir.
there?
Yes, sir. I saw the process and what is the final products. What is the process going on from initial to
Mhm.
final stage. I
Mhm.
have seen all the process, sir.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. Can I
Good, good.
explain that, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, it is the main aim of that company is to produce the steel products
Mhm.
required for different industries
Mhm.
and constructions.
Mhm.
Actually, it is taken from iron ore.
Mhm.
It is taken iron ore and coal from this Coal India Limited or any other company.
Mhm.
Coal and different materials taken as raw materials and processing these materials.
Mhm.
There are two departments are there. One is production department and another one is maintenance department.
Mhm.
In production department only, there are 7 8 departments, sir.
Mhm.
Uh, from after one to one department, like initial stage to final stage. In the first stage, it is a raw material handling plant.
Mhm.
In that stage, all the iron ore and coal
Very,
is handled.
very good.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Very good. Nice, nice.
Okay, sir.
Now come to your subject of interest is thermodynamics,
Yes, sir.
basic thermodynamics. They will ask you and you will tell my subject
Yes, sir.
interest is thermodynamics. State state the third law of thermodynamics. Give
Yes, sir.
its limitations and importance.
Yes, sir. Um, Third law of thermodynamics states that we cannot obtain 0 Kelvin in our nature. The entropy of the pure crystalline substance at 0 Kelvin is zero, sir. But we cannot obtain it because at the 0 Kelvin, the molecular structure is there is no molecular movement takes place. Once there is a molecular movement, there is no molecular movement. It's not it is a it was not done, sir, because
Ye-
the molecular movement is always there, sir. Yes, sir.
No,
But
but
that's why
here
we
it
cannot obtain.
yeah here it
Yes,
is
sir.
told this law helps in explaining the behavior of solids at very
Yes,
low
sir.
temperature.
Yes, sir. Yes,
With,
sir. Yes, sir.
with the help of this, the law of thermodynamic properties can be calculated and chemical affinity can be measured.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very
Yes,
good.
sir. We cannot take a reference for that, sir.
Yeah. What is
At
zeroth
zero
law?
Kelvin,
What is zeroth
uh,
law?
zeroth law states that whenever the two bodies are in thermal equilibrium with each other separately with the third body, so that these two bodies are also in thermal equilibrium, sir. For example, like in thermometer. Thermometer is the best example for zeroth law of thermodynamics. Thermometer is based on that law only.
Mhm.
Temperature measurement is based on that law only, sir.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Explain the following terms. Isolated system.
Isolated system means there is no mass flow rate as well as energy flow rates. Like our university is taken system plus surroundings. Whenever we take system plus surroundings, it is a universe so that it can be taken as isolated systems.
What is
Yes,
open
sir.
system?
In open system, mass flow rate is also present as well as energy flow is also present, like turbines, compressors. All these are open systems, sir.
Very good, very good. What is Gibbs free energy?
Gibbs free energy is equation written like this, sir. H minus Ts.
Very
It
good.
is Gibbs free energy equation.
H is equal to?
H minus Ts, sir.
Yeah. What is H?
H is the enthalpy of the substance, sir, and T is the temperature, and S is the entropy of the substance.
Super. Good. Very good. Which mechanism is used in automobile gearing system?
Actually, there are two mechanisms, sir. Davis gearing mechanism as well as another one is
Differential mechanism.
differential mechanism also used. Sir. Steering
Yeah.
mechanism, Davis steering mechanism is used.
Yes. Here it is given as differential mechanism. Very good. But this mechanical, which means include automobile also to some extent, isn't it?
Some extent, yes, sir, but I
Not much.
only interested
I
in
know.
thermodynamics. Sir.
Not much.
Yes, sir.
Not much. I know that.
Not
I
much.
know that. Can you tell me something about strength of materials, in which you have got interest? What is strength of materials?
Strength of material, we can interested, sir, because we have to calculate the strength of the material. For any material, we have to calculate the strength up to which it can resist the failure. That is the strength of the material. For example, for if you take a particular bar or anything, how much resistance it can bear, after which it is failure. So that this is the strength of the materials.
Define
Yes, sir.
tensile stress and tensile strain.
Tensile stress is defined as a tension along which when we apply the force along the axis of the body, longitudinal axis of the body, if it is increase in length in direction, then it is tensile force, sir. And according that strain is called tensile strain, sir, due to change in length by original length.
But one point you have to mention: two
Yes, sir.
equal and opposite pulls. That point.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is main important.
Yeah, that is important. The stress induced in a body when subjected to two equal and opposite pulls, as a result of which there is an increase in length, is known as tensile stress. The ratio of increase in length to the original length is known as tensile strain. Very good, very good. Yeah. Define longitudinal strain and lateral strain.
Sir, longitudinal strain is defined as change in length by original length, sir. And lateral strain is defined as it is the strain in a direction perpendicular to the applied load. When we applied in longitudinal direction, the strain in the lateral direction is called lateral strain direction. Like in bars, change in diameter by original diameter.
Yeah, here it is
Yes,
given. Longitudinal strain
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to dl by L. L is the length of the
And
body. Then
yes, sir.
P is equal to tensile force acting on the body.
Yes, sir.
dl is equal to increase in length of the body.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Delta L equal to PL by A. It's given.
What is stability?
Sir, stability, whenever we move the body, when it comes to the same position, it is stable. It is in stable positions.
No, but
Yes, sir.
it is given as the stability may be defined as an ability of a material to withstand high load without deformation.
Yes, sir. That is also one definition. There
That
is
is,
different
yeah,
aspects
there are
in
2-3
stability.
definitions. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
there may be 2-3 definitions, I know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which formula forms a link between thermodynamics and electrochemistry? Perhaps you have not studied this. Gibbs-Helmholtz formula.
Gibbs-Helmholtz formula, I have
Is
not
the
studied,
formula,
sir.
yeah, might not have studied. How do you measure temperature in a wet bulb thermometer?
Yes, sir. For thermometer, we provide cotton wick on the bulb.
Super.
It is saturated with water. Yes, sir. And then
Correct.
we rotate the bulb. Yes, sir.
Very good. You told that. Excellent. Good. You are answering all the mechanical engineering questions properly.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Yeah. 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 We are on Zoom now. Correct. Yeah. And now, coming to Coal India Limited.
Yes, sir.
What do you know about Coal India Limited?
Sir, first of all, the history of the Coal India Limited, I have to say, it is established in 1975. It is a very old company and it is a very prestigious company, and it is the largest producer of coal in world, and also in 80% of the India's coal is produced in Coal India Limited only.
Oh,
And
yeah, continue. Yeah, you can
yes, sir.
also tell about the headquarters. You can also tell about
Yes,
the
sir.
subsidiaries.
CAL headquarters is in Kolkata, West Bengal, and they have Coal India have seven subsidiaries and one design institute, and also one foreign institute, also foreign company also in Mozambique, Coal India Africana Limited, and also it have one company, Northeastern Coalfield, directly under Coal India Limited, sir. It across Coal India is across 8 states, sir. Yes, sir.
Good, good, good.
And it has 82 mining areas and 374 mining mines, sir, under which 170 are coaling open cast mines and the remaining are underground mines, and there are also mixed mines also there. And Coal India Limited is a in 2019 to 20, Coal India produced around 600 million tons of coal. Uh, Actually, it is less than 2018 to 19 because of Corona pandemic, some 4 million tons. So both are same. But Coal India is aimed to produce 1 billion ton by 2023. And nowadays, Coal India has recently in news, and they said we have to diversify into different sectors like aluminum plant and as well as solar wafer manufacturing, and also coal to chemical plant methanol produced, so that we can reduce the ash content, and we have to improve. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Can you tell me what are the products with which they are dealing?
Uh, Actually, they are producing coal products, coal, and also non-coking coal and coking coal, different types of coal, sir.
Oh,
They produce. Yes, sir.
but you can get to know the names. Maybe they will not ask you, but
Yes,
like
sir.
for example, semi-coking coal,
Yes, sir.
non-coking coal,
Sir,
washed and beneficiated coal.
yes, sir. I have studied in that report, but
Yeah,
I
in
I
fact,
don't.
they can ask you what is the difference between the previous coal and the second coal. Then what is
Yes.
middlings? Then what are rejects? What is CAL coke, LTC coke, coal fines and coke fines? What is tar, heavy oil, light oil, soft pitch? How tar comes in this? Can you tell me that? How tar comes as
Actually,
a
it is the
product? Mm,
it is the end product of that coal, sir. I think
mm.
after refining, like by during producing coke, so the tar is one of the byproducts, sir.
Oh, perhaps you don't know.
Yes,
Actually, I'm not. I wish they don't ask such questions. Good, good.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Excellent. Good. What is their mission and vision of Coal India Limited?
So the vision of Coal India Limited is to produce and market the planned quantity of coal
Mm,
uh, for producing the energy security to the nation by producing required quantity of coal through in eco-friendly and efficiently through the best practice from mine to market.
mm.
Yes, sir.
That you know,
And
actually, that comes under vision. Mine to market is coming under vision. Mission is
yes, sir.
to produce
Mission,
and market the planned quantity of coal and coal products efficiently and economically in an
yes, sir.
eco-friendly manner with due regard to safety, conservation and quality.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఇంకొకసారి చెప్పండి. Mission
Sir.
to produce and market the planned
Yes, sir.
quantity of coal. I will tell you, remember and tell me. To produce
Yes,
and market the planned quantity of coal and coal products efficiently and economically in an eco-friendly manner with due regard to safety, conservation and quality.
yes, sir.
Tell
The
me.
vision of the company is to produce the planned quantity of to produce and market the planned quantity of coal in
Not planet,
efficiently and
not planet. It should be pronounced as planned.
planned. Okay, sir.
Planet
Yes, sir.
కాదు, planned.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. To produce planned and
Planned quantity of coal
quantity of coal to produce planned quantity of coal in an efficient manner, in an eco-friendly, with due regard of safety, conservative, and quality of the peoples.
Conservation and quality. Good, good, good.
Yes, sir.
That is, every point is important, you know. Efficiently
Yes, sir.
చేస్తున్నాను, ఎకనామికలీ కడతాము, ఫ్రెండ్లీ
Economically,
మేనర్, తర్వాత సేఫ్టీ, కన్సర్వేషన్ బి they are looking into it, and quality
Yes,
also.
sir. Yes, sir.
The vision is, can you tell me about vision?
Mission, sir.
One is
Mission.
MISSION, now
Yes, sir.
VISION.
Sir,
To
vision
emerge
is
as a global player in the primary energy sector, committed to provide energy security to the country by attaining environmentally, socially sustainable growth through best practices from mine to market.
yes, sir. That is the mission, I think.
No, no, vision. ఇప్పుడు నేను
Vision, sir. This is,
vision, VISION.
sir.
If
Okay,
I
sir.
am telling,
Okay, sir.
by keeping it in before my eyes, I am looking into
Yes,
the site only. Vision,
Okay,
vision అలాగా ఉంటుంది. Emerge as a global player. Vision అంటే ఏమి? What they have in their mind, what they are aiming at.
Yes, sir.
అలాగే. Good, very good. అది ఇంకొకసారి చదువుకోండి. That will be helpful for us. Can
Okay,
you
sir.
tell me what is corporate social responsibility?
Actually, I didn't read that, sir. I don't have any knowledge on that, but I seen some important topics like whistleblowing policy and code of conduct. Like I have seen in brief, sir, that I didn't any research on that, sir. Yes, sir.
Corporate social responsibility అంటే ఏమంటే, it is a type of,
Yes, sir.
కంపెనీస్ ప్రాఫిట్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా,
Yes, sir.
ప్రాఫిట్ నుంచి 2% they will have to allot for some social welfare activities,
Okay, sir.
like say education, medical, then maintenance of some locality, like that. It will be of use to the society.
Okay, sir.
Economic responsibility, legal responsibility, like it is a sort of philanthropic responsibility.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is a point that you can just get to know about that from the
Okay, sir.
website itself. And if you go to the annual report, if
Yes,
you
sir.
go to the annual report, there the chairman has told we are doing corporate social responsibility in these areas ani cheppinaru.
Okay, sir.
Okay, adopt
Okay, sir.
CSR. Yeah, అది చూడండి, correct. Good. ఇంకా I think you are covering all the points correctly. ఏమీ problem లేదు.
Okay,
And
sir.
why should we select you?
Sir, first of all, I know I am suitable for this job because I am a hard worker and I am consistent. I am sincere. I am taking responsibility at personal level. That's why I am suitable for this job, sir.
No, but here you told very briefly. ఇంకా
Yes, sir.
బాగా ఫీల్ చేసుకొని చెప్పాలి.
Mm,
బోర్ కొట్టుతుంది కానీ
Okay, sir.
బాగా ఫీల్ చేసి మీరు చెప్పాలి. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
నేను ఒక మోస్ట్ కామన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ అని పంపించాను. అదన్నీ చూసారా లేదా?
Yes, sir. I have seen, but I
But-
didn't remember that much, sir, actually.
ఓహో,
I mean, preparation.
ఇంకొకసారి చదగాలి.
Okay, sir.
ఇంకొకసారి చదిగా, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, then
Okay, sir.
why do you want to join us? These are regular questions. Will you relocate? అచ్చా ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అడగాలి ఏమంటే, కోల్ ఇండియా ఇస్ నాట్ అ బెడ్ ఆఫ్ రోజ్. అక్కడ బోర్డు కష్టం ఉంటుంది. అంటే మీరు మైన్ అందరూ వెళ్ళాలి, లోపల వెళ్ళాలి, బయటికి రావాలి. ఇదన్నీ ఆర్ యూ విల్లింగ్ టు అండర్గో దిస్ ట్రైన్?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Because yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
Will your parents permit you to take that risk and all?
Yes, sir. Actually, it is not a risk, sir. It is a job, actually. Everyone to do.
Good.
It is actually national service, sir.
Very
If
good.
there is no primary energy source, we cannot survive in our nature, sir.
Have you visited any mines?
No, sir. I have not visited any mines now.
Because there are
Until
no
now.
mines near your house.
Yes, sir.
There are no mines near your house. కావాలంటే సింగరేణి వెళ్ళాలి.
Yes, sir.
That is in Telangana. Acha,
Yes,
now
sir. Now
but
it is Telangana, sir.
you are in Telangana, Visaga?
No, sir. Now I am Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Ah.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, it is in Andhra Pradesh, whereas Singareni is now in Telangana. Previously, it was in Andhra. Correct.
Yes.
By any chance, do you have any contact with the existing anybody working as a mechanical engineer in Coal India Limited? లేదు కదా?
No, sir. Actually, I have searched in Quora only through responses from Coal India Limited mechanical engineers. That there is no direct contact, sir.
అంటే
Yes, sir.
ఇది ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఎందుకు అడుగుతున్నానంటే దే కెన్ ఆస్క్ యూ
Yes.
వాట్ విల్ బి యువర్ జాబ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ, ఎలాగా మీరు
Yes,
యూ విల్ బి ఆఫ్ యూస్ ఫర్ అస్ చెప్పండి.
Sir, job role, sir. I have to say.
జాబ్ రోల్.
Actually, mechanical engineers placed in CAL in two different sections, sir. Engineering and maintenance department, and another department is excavation department, sir. In engineering maintenance department is in open cast and both underground in both.
గుడ్. తర్వాత హలో.
Yes, sir.
యా కట్ అయిందా? అచ్చా చెప్పండి.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And the main duty was as a mechanical engineer is to maintain all the machines, equipments, and make it available for the mining department for like easy use. If there is any repair or maintenance like issues, so we have to see that. Yes, sir.
Whether working in mines, your health will allow you. What is your height?
My height was around 5.5, 5.6.
Only? Achha.
160 centimeters.
160 centimeter. Okay. What is your weight?
My weight was around 60, sir. 60, 63.
60 kg. 60, 63 ante
Yes.
manchidi. You tell
Yes, sir.
63 only, but
Yes, sir.
yeah, eat lot of banana so that you will grow fat off.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's right. Very good. You have answered almost all the questions.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions to me as Sambasivan? Or do
no,
you
sir.
have any questions to the board? I am not a board, but still, assuming I am board, you can ask some questions.
No, sir. Actually, I have seen you in YouTube series. You have given so many mock interviews. That's why I also want to one mock interview with you. It's very helpful for me, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes, sir. Yes.
మీకు ఎప్పుడు నాలెడ్జ్ వచ్చింది మా ఛానల్ దగ్గర? When did you come to know of this? About 10 days back or even mundu?
No, sir. Recently, 2-3 days back, I think.
Only. Otherwise,
Yes,
I am on Coal India from March.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, I have seen yesterday only.
I am an employee of Coal India Limited, Food Corporation of India Limited, Karnataka Bank Limited. అందరకు పని చేస్తున్నాం.
Okay.
అర్థమైందా? Just making fun.
Yes, sir.
What is your hobby?
Yes, sir. My hobby, sir. Nowadays, don't have any hobby, sir. Actually, in my college, teaching, sir, to my friends.
Acha.
That's my happy, sir.
That is your hobby.
Yes,
Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
ఇంకా ఏమేం చెప్పాలి, లైక్ గేమ్స్ అని ఏమేం చెప్పాలి? బట్ ఐ థింక్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ రికార్డ్ నేను అనుకుంటాము యూ వుడ్ నాట్ బి ప్లేయింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ బికాస్ యు ఆర్ స్కోరింగ్ 100 మార్క్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ దట్. సో you may not be playing even cricket and all that.
Last year also, I am preparing for exams, sir. That's why I don't have any time for it.
అలాగా చెప్పకూడదు. హాబీస్ ఏమంటే యు సే న్యూస్ పేపర్ రీడింగ్, వాచింగ్ టెలివిజన్, తర్వాత వాచింగ్ డూయింగ్ యోగా చేస్తున్నారా లేదా? మెడిటేషన్ లేదు?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Don't tell lies. That's okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Very nice. You have answered exceedingly well. No problem.
Okay, sir.
9 plus out of 10. 9 plus out of
Okay,
10.
sir.
But much depend. But only problem is you say you would have scored 155 only 1 mark above the cutoff.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is
actually 149, sir, cutoff EWS.
oh, acha.
Around 6 marks I have, sir.
Very good. Ante manchidi. 6 marks ఉంది. కానీ when it is converted to 90 less అవుతుంది కదా.
No, sir. Actually, it is up to out of 200 only, sir. Actually, total 210 they have to calculate, sir. It is for 200 written exam and 10 marks for
అలాగ లేదండి.
interview, sir.
అలాగ లేదండి.
Yes, sir.
ఇది 200 will it not be converted to 90? Yeah, hello. I think that 200 marks will be converted to 90 and
No, sir.
no, acha ante
No, sir. Last year cutoff was 175, sir, in 2017 after written exam.
Oh,
After interview, it will be 185,
acha,
sir. 10 marks increases.
10 mark.
Yes, sir.
Acha, very
Yes, sir.
good. Ante machidi, best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubts for you?
No, sir. If I have any doubt, I will call you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And you please send the list of questions they are asking to you
Okay, sir.
through
Definitely.
email. You will do well.
Okay, sir.
You will do well. You are
Okay,
a
sir.
topper. No problem. Good.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Shall I disconnect?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.